The Tesla Model S door handles are designed to automatically extend when your key fob or phone is nearby, making it easy to open the car. The handle stays flush with the door for better aerodynamics and style. When the handles don't extend, it's usually due to a problem with the handle motor, the microswitch, or the wiring. The motor is responsible for physically extending the handle. The microswitch detects when your key fob or phone is near, and the wiring connects everything together. We'll cover how to diagnose and fix these common issues, focusing on models from 2012 to 2020. The Tesla Model S door handle system operates through a series of interconnected components that work together to provide seamless access. At the heart of the system is a microswitch that acts as a proximity sensor. When you approach the vehicle with your key fob, the microswitch detects its presence. This detection triggers a small electric motor that extends the door handle outward, making it easy to grasp. The motor connects through a wiring harness to the vehicle's body control module, or BCM, which coordinates all the electrical signals. The three key components that can fail are the motor, which wears out over time from repeated use, the microswitch, which is sensitive to moisture and dirt accumulation, and the wiring harness, which can develop faults from vibration or corrosion. If any of these components fails, the entire system stops working and the door handle will not extend when you approach the vehicle. Start with the handle calibration feature on your Tesla's touchscreen. This is available in firmware version 12.5.1 or later and can reset the handle motor without disassembly. If calibration doesn't work, check your car's diagnostics menu for fault codes related to the door handles. Look for codes like handle actuator fault or BCM 045, which indicate specific issues with the system. Finally, use a multimeter to perform electrical diagnostics. Check the voltage at the door handle motor. It should read around 12 volts. Also, test the continuity of the wiring harness to detect any breaks, shorts, or corrosion that might be causing the failure. The microswitch is a common point of failure in Tesla Model S door handles. This proximity sensor detects when your key fob or phone is nearby, triggering the handle to extend. Moisture and debris can cause it to malfunction, preventing the handle from working properly. First, you'll need to remove the door panel to access the microswitch. This involves carefully prying off the panel using appropriate tools. Always disconnect the vehicle's battery before working on electrical components to avoid shorts. Once the panel is removed, locate the microswitch behind it. This small sensor is typically mounted on the door frame. Visually inspect it for corrosion or damage caused by moisture. Look for signs of rust, dirt buildup, or bent components that could prevent proper operation. If the microswitch shows signs of damage, it needs to be replaced. Use a compatible replacement part, which typically costs between $20 and $50. Ensure you get a waterproof version suitable for automotive use to prevent future issues. After installing the new microswitch, ensure all electrical connections are secure and properly seated. Reconnect the battery and test the door handle by approaching the vehicle with your key fob. The handle should extend smoothly. If it doesn't work, double-check the wiring connections. If the motor is causing the issue, you may hear a clicking sound when trying to open the door, but the handle won't extend. This indicates the motor is receiving power but not moving the mechanism. To access the motor, first remove the door panel. Start by locating and removing the screws securing the panel, then carefully pry it off using a plastic trim tool to avoid scratches. The motor will be visible behind the panel. Replacement motors are readily available from Tesla dealerships or reputable aftermarket suppliers. Expect to pay between $100 and $200 for a quality replacement. Always choose parts that match your Model S year and ensure they are compatible with the vehicle's electrical system. When installing the new motor, ensure the gears are properly aligned with the motor shaft and the handle mechanism. Apply a small amount of light grease or lubricant to the gears to prevent future wear. Before putting the door panel back on, test that the handle extends and retracts smoothly. Wiring problems in the Tesla Model S door handle system often involve frayed wires, loose connections, or corrosion that can prevent proper extension. Carefully inspect the wiring harness for any visible damage, looking closely for fraying, corrosion, or loose connections. Use a multimeter to test continuity in the wiring, ensuring electrical signals can pass through properly. Repairing or replacing the harness can be tricky and requires electrical expertise, so consider consulting a professional if you're not comfortable working with electrical systems. New wiring harnesses typically cost around $75. Tesla frequently releases software updates that can address door handle issues. Make sure your car is running the latest firmware by checking the software settings on your touchscreen. After any hardware repair, run the handle calibration routine in the car's settings to ensure proper operation. This step is crucial for the system to function correctly and can be done through the touchscreen interface. To prevent door handle issues in your Tesla Model S, regularly check for and install software updates. Tesla releases over-the-air updates that include handle calibration features and fixes for common faults, potentially preventing up to 50% of problems, according to expert technicians. Keep the door handles clean and free of debris to avoid dirt or moisture interfering with the microswitch sensors. Regular cleaning prevents corrosion and ensures the capacitive sensors work properly. In cold climates, be mindful of ice buildup, which can strain the handle extension system. Avoid forcing frozen handles and consider parking in garages when possible. Tesla has addressed environmental claims for such issues under extended policies. If you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, consult a Tesla service center or qualified EV mechanic. They can handle complex wiring or motor replacements safely, and Tesla offers extended warranties for certain component failures. Remember that DIY fixes can save around 70% compared to professional repairs, with an average success rate of 85%, according to Tesla forums. Always follow safety guidelines and disconnect the battery before working on wiring.